What are you looking at, Cody?
I'm not here. Okay, climb over. Alright.
If you're not here, who's holding the camera?
This is my computer. Presently, it seems to be suffering from a great amount of heat sensitivity. What we're going to do today is alter it a tiny little bit. Notice how there's a few extra fans just hanging around. And listen to just how quiet it is. This is all going to change. Here are the two types of things I'm going to be installing. First is this Delta AFB0612EH, 37 cubic feet per minute and 6,800 RPM fan. It's a Vantech CCK 6040H double ball bearing fan. I'm told this thing screams, so that's going to keep my processor cool. What's going to keep the rest of the case cool is this Tornado case fan. It's no word of a lie, over twice as fast as most other case fans. And the air throughput, where most of them have, let's see, I believe it is between 30 and 50 cubic feet per minute of air flow. This has 84.1 cubic feet per minute of air movement. It's going to be a wind tunnel inside there. I can't wait. Well, computer, this may be the last we ever see of one another. I have no idea if I'm going to blow you up or not. So, here's saying goodbye. I really hope I don't break everything. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is taking out this back fan. There's another one of those right here. I'm going to be replacing the fan inside the power supply. No, that's not going to be dangerous at all. And as mentioned earlier, taking out... where are you? That guy down there. And replacing the heatsink and fan. So, let's start. See, I kind of came into a little problem when putting the fan on the power supply, so I did some modifications. It probably isn't going to work, but hey. Okay, I've successfully completed the modifications. Notice that the side panels are back on the computer. Unfortunately, the noise is a little louder than I thought it was going to be. Ah well, bet it's freaking cool in there though.